guys! How are you today? I hope fine. My name is M. Vicky Fahamsyah and my friend M. Aditya Silvatama, Mailina Fadilah, and Maiza Misrin Agila. We will explain about passive voice. Passive voice is the sentence that the subject of the sentence is acted on by the verb. They are some of the conditions of the sentence passive voice. First, sentence must have object. Second, ask verb 3 after to be. And then the basic formula, subject plus be plus verb 3 and complement. The present tense in passive. Okay, the first tense is present simple tense. The formula is subject plus is or am or are plus verb 3 plus by and object. For example, I have an active sentence of present simple tense. Harvey eats healthy food every day. Then the passive sentence is healthy food is eaten by Harvey every day. Present continuous tense. The formula is subject plus is or am or are plus being plus verb 3 plus by and object. For example, an active sentence, Verly is watering some flower, and passive sentence, some flowers are being watered by Verly. Present perfect tense. The formula is subject plus has or have plus been plus verb 3 plus by an object. For example, an active sentence, has Donnie driven a new car? Passive sentence, has a new car been driven by Donnie? Okay, the last present perfect continuous tense. The formula is subject plus has or have plus been plus being plus verb 3 plus by an object. Example active sentence, Tom has not been drawing some picture. Passive sentence, some picture have not been drawn by Tom.
I will explain the past tense in passive voice. Number 1, past simple tense. The formula subject plus was or were plus verb 3 plus by object. For example, in active, Leah paid a tax last week, and in passive voice, a tax was paid by Leah last week. And number 2, past continuous tense. The formula subject plus was or were plus being plus verb 3 plus by object. For example, in active, their workers were lifting a big cupboard, and in passive voice, a big cupboard was being lifted by their work. And number 3, past perfect tense. The formula subject plus had plus been plus verb 3 plus object. And for example, in active, a raining storm had destroyed hundreds houses, and in passive, hundreds houses had been destroyed by a rainstorm. And number 4, past perfect continuous. The formula subject plus had plus been plus being plus verb 3 plus by object. For example, in active, Sinta had been slicing some meat in the kitchen, and in the passive, some meat had been being slicked in the kitchen. Like this, the past tense in passive voice.
The future tense in passive. 1. Future simple tense. Formula subject plus will or shall plus be plus verb 3 plus object. Example active, Jenny will visit many tourist places next holiday. Passive, many tourist places will be visited by Jenny next holiday. 2. Future continuous tense. Formula subject plus will or shall plus be being plus verb 3 plus object. Example active, Eva won't be supervising examined at 7 tonight. Passive, examined won't be being supervised by Eva at 7 tonight. 3. Future perfect tense. Formula subject plus will or shall plus have plus been plus verb be plus object. Example active, astronomers will have built new space station by 2040. Passive, new space station will have been built by astronomers by 2040. Or future perfect continuous tense. Formula subject plus will or shall plus have plus been plus being plus verb be plus object. Example active, Joe will have been finishing his master degree by the end of June next year. Passive, Joe's master degree will have been being finished by him by the end of June next year.
Okay, next, the past future tense in passive. Okay, in this case, I will tell you about past future tense in passive voice. And the first tense is future simple tense. The formula of the passive is subject plus sold or would. I just want to remind you that would is used in all of pronoun, but sold is only used by before sold. It is only true pronoun. It is I and we, just like I sold, we sold, like that. And plus be and plus verb 3 plus by then object. And then I want to tell you about something that is very important, that in active sentence, subject being an object in passive voice, in passive sentence. Yes, example, Colin will make a checking account last Monday. Some advice for you guys. If we want to change active into passive sentence, we have to know which one is subject, which one is verb, which one is object. We have to know about it. Like this, Colin is subject. Subject in active is will be object in passive sentence. So Colin, we have to remove it after by in passive sentence, like this, by Colin, like that. Would make, would, and make is verb. It is verb 1, and verb 3 of make is made. A checking account is object. Object in active will be object in active is subject in passive sentence. So checking account we have to remove it into the first word in passive sentence. Okay, the passive sentence is just like this. A checking account will be made by Colin last Monday. Last Monday is time signal. Okay, get it? Okay, B, future continuous tense. The formula of passive is subject plus would or sold plus be, being and being plus verb 3 and plus by and object. The example, the active sentence is, a taxi driver will be taking some passengers to the airport. A taxi driver is subject. Will be the object in passive. Will be taking. Taking is changed into taken because it's changed into the verb 3. Some passengers, it's object in here, so it will be the object in passive, to the airport. And then the passive is, some passengers will be being taken by a taxi driver to the airport. There's no problem here. And next, future perfect tense, we are use verb 3. So in this case, we don't need to change the verb 3 because it is already verb 3. The formula of the passive is subject plus would or should plus have plus been plus verb 3 plus by and object. The example is Lisa would have mailed 2 letters by 10 o'clock yesterday. Lisa is subject. Would have mailed. Mailed is already verb 3. 2 letters is object in here. So in passive it will be the subject. By 10 o'clock yesterday. Yesterday it is time signal. Okay, the passive is 2 letters would have been mailed by Lisa by 10 o'clock yesterday. Okay, the last D, future perfect continuous tense. It is using verb ing, so we have to change it into the verb 3. The active sentence is the formula. I forgot about it. The formula is subject plus should or would, should or would or should plus have plus been plus being plus verb 3 plus by then object. The active formula is the active sentence is some architects would have been designing a 100-story building. Some architects is subject, but it will be the object would have been designing. The verb 3 of designing is designed. A 100-story building is object. It will be the subject in passive. So the passive is 100-story building would have been being designed by some architects. Okay, next and the last of our discussion in this time is modal auxiliary in passive. We have two formula, only two formula. Okay, the first and the one. The formula is subject plus modal plus be plus verb 3. Okay, plus verb 3. Okay, I have two examples. The first example is the active sentence. She can compose songs. She is subject in this sentence. So she will be the object of the passive. Can is modal. Compose verb 1. Verb 3 of the compose is composed, and songs is object. Object in active will be the subject in passive. Okay, so songs will be the first word in the passive sentence. The passive is song can be composed by her. Why it is her? Why it's not she? Because it is pronoun, guys. I hope you know about it. Okay. Oh, we have three examples. So, okay, the second, Kevin must submit an assignment. Kevin is subject. Must is modal. Submit is verb. Verb 3 of submit is submitted. An assignment is object, and the object will be the subject of the passive. So we have to write it in the first sentence of the passive sentence. Okay, so the passive is an assignment must be submitted by Kevin. Okay, and then the last, C. Oh, it's not C. It's typo again. I'm sorry. Sin. It is sin. It's the name of person, a human. It's not C. No, it's human. Sin won't meet a dentist. Sin is subject. It's person. So we have to. So in passive, it will be the object. One is modal. One is modal. Then meet is verb 1. We have to change it into verb 3. The verb 3 of the meet is met. A dentist is object in this sentence. So it will be the subject in passive sentence. So the passive is a dentist would be met by sin. Okay. The second formula of the modal auxiliary is subject plus modal auxiliary plus have plus been plus verb 3. For the example, the active is Tia must have taken some language course. If modal meet with have, then the verb after it is verb 3. So in this case, we don't need to change it into the verb 3 because it is verb 3. So just like this, the passive is some language courses must have been taken by Tia. Okay, the active. All singers might have started the concert at this moment. It is us. It is not us. Okay, it is at this moment. Yeah. All singers in this case is subject, but in the passive it will be the object. Might have started is already verb 3, so we don't have to change it. The concert is object in active. So in passive it will be the subject. At this moment is time signal. Oh no, it's not time signal, but it is like complement. Yes, it is complement. It is complement. Okay, the passive is the concert might have been started by all singers at this moment. Just like this. Okay, it's all about passive voice. I'm sorry for our mistakes or anything that make you feel uncomfortable about it. So I'm sorry and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.